More pan Jamaicans overseas again. This time, them say is a Jamaican hitman get arrested in a foreign country. Figure carry out a hit.
Boy, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
What I want to get me opinionated peeps. Some people me there with another update phone again. Can you know we always find the information phone first and bring it. So now they must say a Jamaican fly all the way from Jamaica and go in a Bahamas, Grand Bahama to be exact. Figure carry out a hit. According to the news report, they must say the Jamaican man was arrested just last night, which was Wednesday night. And they must say the man come from Augustown, Jamaica and is affiliated with the infamous No Dollar No Sense gang, allegedly. According to the news report, police in Grand Bahama served a search warrant last night in which the man was arrested. His identity was not revealed, but the police is convinced he was there to carry out a contract killing. According to the police, they must say the brother are connected to a number of murders in Jamaica. And the report are saying that the Jamaican authorities is working very closely with the Bahamian authorities as it relates to the suspect who is now being questioned by the Bahamian police. No time for my take on this. Is it that the Bahamas is the safe haven for most of these criminals? Because what I realize is, since me start do them kind of content here and start search for international news surrounding Jamaicans, Bahamas always come up. You notice? If that's the case, then you know what got me, right? Bahamas will start lock out Jamaicans out of them country. Because if Jamaicans are flying for come commit crime, what you think are gonna happen? Now for example, look on the one the other day who fly to Bahamas, claims them go on vacation, but yet still going to people in country go on a robbing spree. And don't forget the one we get charged for unlawful sexual intercourse with a minor in a Bahamas again. You notice so much time Bahamas come up? Jano star. But me I try figure out, it is not only the Bahamas though. Why is it that Jamaicans insist we go overseas, we go give a culture bad name? Anyway people, done with this gone. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts, your views and your opinion. Ponder one, because as me always tell you, your opinion matters. And as soon as more information come out on this matter, I will definitely bring it to you. Alright, if this is your first time to Unstoppable Opinions and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because this is the channel where you come to get factual information whenever it go on as it affiliates with Jamaicans, whether them they are Jamaica or overseas. Hit that subscribe button. Zin?
Boy, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable.